Hello friends, welcome to Code with Karthiki. In previous session we have seen identifier naming rules practically. Now we will see identifier naming conventions practically. Here first convention is for variable names and function names use all lowercase letters with snake case. So whenever you are giving variable names and function names, you have to use lowercase with snake case. So we will see this practically. For example, I have student name, one variable. So there are two words, right? Student and name. So we can't use space. So which character we can use? Special character, that is underscore. So that is student name. Right, so this is called snake case. So this is the snake case, right? Means it looks like snake, that's why it is a snake case. So I will give here now. Then print student name, right? So here whenever you are giving, so if you have variable with multiple words, then you have to use underscore in between. If you don't have variable with multiple words directly, for example number is there, so number is 24, like that, so that directly you can take all one word in lowercase, right? So now in this way you can use variable name, right? So Ram 24. So these are the conventions, right? So already I have told you, if you don't follow conventions you will not get any error. So this is for variable names. Then function names, for example I want to define one function which is doing addition of numbers. So I will define here one function add underscore numbers, right? Means this function is adding two numbers. So we know that whatever these identifier names you are using, so it should be descriptive. So that already we have seen. Then add numbers, so this is one function, and so this function is taking, for example, in two arguments num1 num2, and print num1 plus num2, means addition it will print. So here for this function name I have used snake case, right? Then I am calling this function add numbers, then I am passing here 4 8, right? And if I run this code, then I got here 12. So this function is getting executed and it has printed 12, right? So in this way you have to use snake case for function names also. If you have any function which is having only one word, then you can directly use all lowercase letters. So for example I have one function wish, so I will take here, so this is a wish function and this function is just printing good morning, right? So this is one function name. Here I am not using snake case because there is only one word. Then this wish function I am calling. So now this is good morning. This function is getting executed and it has printed this good morning, right? So first convention already we have seen. Now the next is for module name use all lowercase letters. So whenever you are creating module, so module means any Python file is there, so it is called module. So at that time also you have to use all lowercase letters. For example I want to create one module hello world, so I will give here hello world dot py. So if you want to give here, if you want to use snake case you can use that. So now here hello world, and here one variable I am defining x is equal to 100, and I will import this module now in my this identifier naming convention file. Import hello world, right? So whenever you are giving module name, use all lowercase letters. So this also we have seen. Now I will comment out this much code now. This already we have seen. Now last convention is for class name use Pascal case. So Pascal case means first letter is whatever the first letter of word is there, it is capital. This is called Pascal case. For example, I have student class, so I am using student class. So this is called Pascal case, right? And currently I don't have implementation of this class, so I'm writing here pass, right? So in this way, whenever you are defining class, you have to use Pascal case. So these are just conventions. So I will create here one object of the student class, right? So in this way you can create objects. So classes, functions, everything we are going to see in detail. Here we are just seeing identify naming conventions. So whatever these conventions are there, so you can find more conventions in pip8 documentation. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt, you can comment below.